Here comes the rain.
Oh. Why does this guy have my blood? He didn't have much blood, but he had it.
I found myself asking the same question sometimes.
Like, there's the ogre right after him that killed me, and he had my blood.
Right.
That was the 48 I was talking about.
Yeah, I have no idea.
This way's the blood, why not? No, I fight no dog. No. Yeah, if you want to go back 37 minutes.
I found a ladder. Another ladder.
And another ladder.
And I probably would die there. No, surprisingly, I just took a 40 or 50 foot fall and I didn't die.
Welcome. What is it? Very well. Let me.
What's this? A numbing mist. Okay, whatever.
Farewell.
Let's see, what do I have in my inventory that I can use?
What does numbing mist do? Doesn't even freaking say.
And a red jewel. Now what does the gem do?
I don't know, it's supposed to do something to your weapon, but I haven't seen anything or noticed anything different.
Badge of workshop, sanctioned hunter, badge of swordsman hunter under churches.
I think I'm about to take all this stuff back, man. I've got a lot of thick cold-bloodeds and everything else. That's what I think I'm gonna do, man. Numbing mist. Third to create mist clouds that prevents HP restoration. What?
Some 20 bullets. So all 100. And still half my blood. That's good. It's all my blood.
Yeah, dude, I'm going back. I'm at 9,968 again.
Welcome. What is
Well,
it?
hold on. Let me see if I can kill these big guys.
Very well. Let me.
I'm being very greedy right now.
Yeah, you are. I wouldn't be greedy with that much. And now I can equip my gun. Or my Kirkman. Ha! That's a heavy hit.
But I'm just thinking about the big picture there. All that freaking blood to go back with.
I have 30? Oh, wow.
Dude, I just got my blood. It goes back. I don't know how, Brian, or where. Because that guy did not kill me. Wait, maybe he did. I just shot from 9,000. You don't even want how much blood I got now.
15?
A little bit more.
Damn, man.
I have,
Damn.
I have 18,052 to go back with. Plus, I still got one more guy to kill here, so...
Wow, that's gonna be a nice upgrade for you.
I hope so. These guys are so dumb, man. They attack so hard, and you can stun them too when they do that. Sometimes you can stun them, but they're dumb. They attack so hard that they knock blood out of their freaking legs. And he just did it again. Can you believe that?
Very well.
I actually can believe that.
Yikes, I better back up before he kills me.
Sorry, what was it that got you more blood from stuff?
Hold on a second. Do what now?
What was it that got you more blood from stuff?
Let me see here. Oh, from creatures and stuff on the arcane.
Arcane?
The discovery. Yeah, arcane, it ups your discovery and everything. But I haven't done anything with that.
Because I wonder if you put that up to 10, how fast you'd be getting stuff.
I don't know.
I'm gonna spend my next 3 levels putting that up.
Oh my god, there's another big guy for me to fight here. I'll be going back with over 19,000 here, just so you know.
Jesus. Ow. Can I use the violence? Yeah. I'm not gonna hit the button and it doesn't actually. Well,
Yikes, he almost killed me. I'm alright though.
I don't want to lose 19,000.
I have 19,605.
What are you running with right now?
What do you mean?
What's your weapon?
That freaking Hunter X I was telling you about?
How do I acquire that?
You buy it right from that Bath Messenger.
Yeah, it's probably Friday.
And I have it like extended out to the sickle form, so it's like a big battle axe type thing.
Wait. Do I have a hit the bridge?
I don't know if you bought it or not.
Oh yeah, I have Hunter's Axe. That's the starting weapon.
Really? I don't know, I bought it.
What? Why did you buy it? Is it +1 or +2?
I don't know, I think it's +1. I'm not for sure, I have to look.
I feel like this is weaker attacks, but it takes less endurance to use and you get more per thing. I hate those guys so much. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go.
Holy crap. Not to remind you, Brian, I'm going back with right now 20,862.
Jeez, man. Just go put it all into your arcane.
Or something.
Just do it. Just see what happens.
Return to the Hunter's Dream at that much, man. That's massive right there.
That's ridiculous what that is.
I think I'd see that freaking 6,000 or 7,000.
Well, use them! In the soul. Oh. It's got cornered by 3 dogs. And instead of, you know, using a thing when I was mashing the button, he just stood there and took it. Like a little bitch.
Right.
Check these out!